on the season.
Now, no one knew the Syracuse soccer program like Dean Foudy. Foudy coached the team for 18 years, winning 141 matches in that time. As a player, he was a part of Syracuse's first ever Big East championship. But just having one winning record did not sit well with Dr. Dale Gross in the last 8 years. Foudy was fired, and now Ian McIntyre is at the helm. Caleb Lamb has more on the man trying to revive the Orange.
New head coach Ian McIntyre joins the men's soccer team after spending 7 seasons at Hartwick College. There he compiled 4 double-digit winning seasons and took a trip to the NCAA tournament in 2005. But what separates Ian McIntyre from other coaches?
His preparation is second to none. I think he scouts out the opposition very well, so he's always prepared.
His preparation, he knows exactly what he wants out of his team and out of his players, and he puts a lot of effort in behind the scenes at trying to get us to play the best football we can on the pitch.
Mac is fantastic with the guys. He's a very, very good analyzer of the game. I think the big part of it is how we see the game being played, so we can kind of find the same notes at the same time as we're going into any kind of preparation.
Coach Mac has his work cut out for him, inheriting a team that won only 3 games last season. Even with a tough 1-4 start, an influx of young talent, and some improved play on the field, has McIntyre expecting better things to come later this year.
We're looking to kind of rejuvenate a little bit. We have high expectations for this program. We do realize there's no short-term fixes, and it's going to take some hard work and commitment. Hopefully by the end of the year we can play some good stuff and win some important soccer games.
Coach Mac now begins preparation for conference play. A home game against Big East opponent Pittsburgh on Saturday will give McIntyre and his squad a chance to get back on the winning track. At SU Soccer Stadium, Caleb Lamb, Citrus TV.
Quick, who's the